Hey there, Paul Venables here, and I'm extremely excited that you've taken the time to watch this video. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the easiest strategies that we've discovered that will allow you to legally hijack other people's video traffic and generate affiliate commissions in 24 hours or less. And we're going to show you how we've been able to automate this entire traffic hijacking strategy with our powerful cross-platform software. This incredible strategy, combined with our software, allows you to get highly targeted buyer traffic to your offers like this, where you can see this one video has gotten 94,161 targeted visitors. Or this, where you can see that this video has gotten 65,279 targeted visitors. Or this one that's gotten 21,502 targeted visitors. And this one that's gotten 5,720 targeted visitors. And this one, where you see we've gotten over 50,695 targeted visitors from just one campaign. And that's just a handful of the results that we've been able to get. But of course, getting traffic is not what we're in the game for, right? We have to be able to generate sales from this traffic as well. And we all know how well video traffic converts. Kinda like this, where we've earned $5,510.80 in commissions from just one video and 10 minutes of work. Or this, where just one of our campaigns generated $3,158 in commissions. Or this, where we've made over 200 euros in passive commissions. Or like this campaign that's generated a little over $100 in just a few minutes of effort. And this campaign that brings in sales daily. And we can go on, but I'm sure you get the point now. We've developed a strategy for not only getting targeted traffic, but a strategy for converting the traffic into passive commissions right into your bank account in 24 hours or less. But you want to know what the best part is? We've been able to generate these amazing results without having to do any video SEO, without having to make a single video, without having to upload a single video, without having to pay for any advertising, without even having to have our own YouTube account. And we've been able to automate the entire thing. Sounds pretty crazy, right? Yeah, trust me, I don't blame you. We thought it was a fluke at first. But once we shared our software with our students and they started getting results after results after results, we knew we were onto something big. Just like Alex, who created a $117 a month passive income for himself on his first try. And Randy, who was able to hijack the traffic of an entire YouTube channel with over 500,000 views. And Chris here, who's crushing it in the celebrity niche. And Steven here, who is now getting 400 targeted visitors per day after just 3 days of using our software. And Shimon, who made over $28,767. And McCall, who started her day with sales and leads produced by VTG. And we have tons of other student results below this video that you can see of ordinary people just like you and me who are now crushing it after implementing our traffic hijacking software. Allow me to introduce you to Video Traffic Genie 2.0. With Video Traffic Genie 2.0, you can now get traffic to any offer in any niche at any time you want. And on this page, you'll be able to equip yourself with this same software as well. This is going to be the most unique and most powerful traffic and sales strategy you'll be using this year. It doesn't matter if you're doing affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, selling your own digital products, selling your own physical products, or building a list. It doesn't matter what you're doing. This software will help you get more traffic and sales fast. But at this point, you may be wondering, Paul, this sounds amazing. But what the heck does Video Traffic Genie 2 even do? Well, are you ready to be blown away? Okay, here it is. The overall strategy behind VTG consists of us finding videos that people uploaded to YouTube and completely forgot about. But the real trick comes in when we find videos that people uploaded, added a link to their site in the description area, and then completely forgot about. This is where our money is made because more times than not, these videos are still getting a ton of traffic. And the owner of the video never renewed the registration for the domain. That means you can easily pick up the domain for about $10 or less and redirect the traffic anywhere you want. In a very short period of time, we and our students have been able to find dozens upon dozens of videos that are still getting thousands of visitors per day, and now you can too. Talk about a genius strategy, right? And here's where our software makes things even easier for you. Video Traffic Genie 2.0 automatically finds videos in any niche that is getting tons of traffic that you can steal. All you have to do is input your target keyword and VTG will populate all of the best videos for you to get traffic and sales from. That means you can start finding hugely profitable videos just a few minutes after downloading VTG. But before you do that, let's jump into a quick demo video. Hello, it's Paul Venables here, and I'm going to show you a quick look inside of the Video Traffic Genie 2.0 members area, and I'm also going to pull up the software and show you how that works as well. So inside the members area, you can access the training section, which will include video training and a couple manuals as well. And the training will include the Video Traffic Genie method, along with the best uses for Video Traffic Genie, some additional tips and suggestions, as well as case studies. And from inside this members area, you'll also be able to access the software. You can download that and learn all about how to use the software properly as well. And also inside the members area, you can access the support FAQs and our support desk, as well as our resources and bonuses. So I'm going to quickly pull up the software now and show you exactly how you can use this to be able to instantly get traffic from abandoned domains inside of videos. So now I've just opened up Video Traffic Genie 2.0, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use VTG2 to find abandoned videos where you can instantly place your link and start hijacking all the traffic. Now what you're seeing here is our latest Video Traffic Genie 2.0 software. It is an Adobe Air software which is Mac and PC compatible, so you can use it on any computer that you'd like. And this is exactly what you'll see when you start up the software. We have a settings section, a search section, a section for backlinks, keywords, and a support tab as well. And I'll quickly demonstrate what you'll be able to do with the Video Traffic Genie 2.0 search feature. Here you can enter your keyword. It can be a niche related keyword. It could be a product name keyword, any kind of keyword related to a video that you're interested in getting traffic from. So now I'm gonna type in Get Lean Program, and it's going to go out and search Get Lean Program as a keyword because it is a product name keyword for a weight loss program inside of ClickBank. I'm going to click Stop Search, and we can see all the videos that come up. I'm just going to show you this one right here. We can look for the view count, the likes, dislikes, comments, favorites. As you can see, there's 11,000 views for this video, and it was created in 2014. This is the link that's coming up that has been reported as a broken link inside of Video Traffic Genie 2.0. So we can go in and analyze the video more. I'm going to just open it up in YouTube here. So now the video has been loaded, and I have a TubeBuddy extension, just a free extension, installed here so we can analyze the video more. We can come down here and click on Show Search Rankings to see that it's ranked inside of YouTube. For Get Lean Program, the product name keyword looks like it's in the 5th position. Also has additional product name keyword rankings as well. And we can see that the domain is placed right here. And we can also check out the Channelytics for additional information about the video channel. So I just click on Views, and we can see the channel gets about 1,000 views per month. We can hop back to Video Traffic Genie. There's the Go To Channel button as well, so we can click on that and check out the channel. But first, let's just confirm that we can get the domain. So all we have to do is click on the Check Domain button. There's a couple different ways of checking the domain. One is to check it inside the software, and the best way of doing that is using one-on-one domain registrar. Will auto-populate, or what I have selected is Namecheap, and that's going to open up in the new browser and then also copy this to clipboard. So all I have to do is just paste it in from my keyboard or my mouse, just paste in that domain there just to confirm that it's available. So I just click on the search button there, and you can see it is available right now. So if we wanted to buy this for 13 bucks, then we can go in and snag that up, and we'd have that for an entire year. And the Get Lean program sells for about $150 inside of ClickBank. And if you can't make $13 in an entire year, then you can just let the domain drop. Otherwise, it can be a very good return on your small investment. Also, we can check out how it's ranked in Google real quick just by copying a keyword like get lean program, the main product name keyword, and seeing how it comes up in Google. There's nothing up here, but when we scroll down, we can see this is the video with the same channel that Video Traffic Genie pulled up. So it's already ranked in the first page near the bottom, but already ranked on the first page for Get Lean Program, the main product name. And if you were to pick this up, you could start sending our backlinks to it to try and get it ranked higher for even more targeted traffic. But before ordering, I like to dig a little bit deeper. I like to click on the Whale Finder button, which is a feature available for the Video Traffic Genie Gold version, and that will show you everything that's associated to this link. So most of the time there's additional videos, additional video properties even, that have this link inside of them. The Whale Finder button will show all of that. We can also check out the channel and see what other kinds of videos are inside the channel. As you can see here, there's a lot of product name keyword videos. So Wing Girl review, quit marijuana review, plan my baby review, badass tattoos, also niche related videos, activities for toddlers, keep your man happy, put an end to sugar cravings, easy songs to play on the piano. So there's a lot of videos inside of this channel with product name keywords, where even if the product name keywords, some of these are kind of low views, but with some additional backlinks like we can do inside of the Video Traffic Genie 2.0 program, then you can push those up a little bit higher and get more targeted traffic to them. So we can dig further inside of these videos and see sometimes these videos are also associated to the same domain you can buy. And what I mean by that is that sometimes there's other links, like in this case, this is a product name link. But look at this one right here. We can see that there's one called clickhere9.com, and that one is inside this clickable annotation. So this video was done back in the time when annotations were around, and they're still inside here. So this one has a clickable annotation. If we go back to the Get Lean program, we will see that this video right here has a clickable annotation. It's for the exact same link. And by analyzing this channel a little more, we can see that there are additional videos that have broken links for the video in the description, but then there's also the same broken link inside of the actual video that is the same link for all the other videos in the channel. And that's this Click Here 9, so we can click on that and then see that it's broken as well. And we can see here that the video that Video Traffic Genie has found also includes a broken link in the annotations that is available to buy. So that is really powerful, especially when you combine all that with not only just this Get Lean program review, but also all the other videos inside of the channel, like these. And all you have to do is register that domain and do some redirects like we teach in the members area, and you'll get all of that traffic. Another feature that is very helpful inside of Video Traffic Genie 2.0 is our Keywords tab, where you can type in a keyword and get multiple suggestions of additional keywords that people are actively searching. So I'm just going to type in how to play guitar and click search. And as you can see, there's now additional keywords that we can search inside Video Traffic Genie. We could also click the copy button to copy it to your clipboard, or click on the search it button to begin that search. So here I'm just gonna click on search it for how to play guitar for kids. And now VTG is going out and it's already found a video. And we can analyze this more by clicking open in YouTube, go to channel, or I also like to do the Whale Finder, where we can find everything available related to this domain. And this is one of the features that will be unlocked with the upgraded Video Traffic Genie Gold version. And quickly, I'm just going to show you what's inside the channel when I click go to channel. Now here in this channel, you can see that this looks like an authority channel with lots of videos, and we can sort by the most popular to see some of the videos that have high view counts. Like this one is 50,000. It's another Blink-182 song. This is the one that we just pulled up in VTG, and that has 37,000 views. I'm just going to pull up a couple of these videos to see if we have the same link that is inside of Video Traffic Genie. And as you can see, this is the masterlearningguitar.com link. And in this other video, we have masterlearningguitar.com as well. And if we were to further analyze this channel, we would see that there's the same link placed on all of these videos that we have found inside of Video Traffic Genie. If we want to get more information about this specific video, we can just click on open in YouTube. And by pulling up this video, we can see that we have the URL right here at the beginning of the description. And it looks like a basic tutorial video teaching somebody how to play this song. There's also some tags. Looks like they're ranked for play guitar like Blink-182. So with these keywords, people are interested in learning how to play guitar. And then we can just click on the check domain button. It's gonna open up in a new browser because that's the way I have it in the settings section. And it'll pop up with the domain copied to the clipboard. So then we can just bring it up over here, paste it in, and click search. And we can see that this domain is also available to purchase. So by purchasing this domain right now, we could start getting targeted traffic immediately all around how to play guitar from all of the videos found in the channel, which could be great because then you could immediately start building an email list or promoting a ClickBank product around playing guitar, or maybe something that's an e-com product or something on Amazon or whatever you want from all of this traffic. So as you can imagine, when you just keep on typing different keywords and finding results, the possibilities are endless. And since YouTube is such a popular site and ranked the second biggest site on the web, there's always going to be content and there is always going to be abandoned domains that you can find with Video Traffic Genie 2.0. How amazing was that, right? Getting unlimited free targeted traffic is now as simple as 1. Inputting your target keyword. 2. Letting VTG2 pull up all the videos you can hijack. 3. Register and redirect that traffic anywhere you want. 4. From there, you just gotta sit back and watch your commissions and sales soar, and rinse and repeat as many times as you'd like. And if that isn't enough for you, we're also throwing in some amazing bonuses for you. Bonus number 1 is our Hot Niches PDF. If you're having trouble choosing a niche to use this strategy with, or you want to add some new niches to your business, we've selected 15 of the hottest niches you can target using our software. This is easily a $27 value. Bonus number 2 is our Easy Video Payday training course. This is my flagship product that is going to show you how I've been making at least $5,000 in passive income from simple videos since 2012. You can use Easy Video Payday plus Video Traffic Genie to do some serious damage over the coming days, weeks, and months. And finally, bonus number 3 is our high-paying private affiliate programs training. How would you like to know how we're crushing it right now with private affiliate programs? Why would you compete with all the other affiliates when there's plenty of private programs that you can cash in on? With this training, you'll be able to profit more by working less and promoting little-known affiliate programs. These private programs work especially well with our Video Traffic Genie 2.0 strategy. This is easily a $37 value, not to mention how much more you'll be making from the private affiliate programs. That's over $100 in value for the bonuses alone. But today you can get full access to Video Traffic Genie 2.0 plus all the bonuses at a huge discount. But you have to make sure you act quickly. This discount will only be available for the next few days. After that, the price will be going up significantly. This strategy is way too valuable for us to keep it at this price for too long. Go ahead and access your account by clicking the discount button below. And of course, this is a 100% risk-free offer for you. Take Video Traffic Genie 2.0 for a spin for the next 30 days, and if you're not fully satisfied, we'll give you a full refund, no questions asked. You've got nothing to lose and a ton of traffic and sales to gain. See you in the members area.